Hello, students. We soon elo fil tangin. Hen out and pekche kama tongin hung fil fee. Eituma. Amasa takatingin. Point number one. What is important to know for the one who exercises tika kakang fil fee masa takaite. Page number two in Zukenchun. Zumutain ta. Tula in paradigm shift. Paradigm shift is on aidan tlag ng lam. Nasa takelang abikin judging train chu mating panga. Tinlay kan chu grammar ting ay buy big zola. Chuna source criticism high ay buy form criticism high German scholar tam takay form criticism high nung buy chuzo redactional criticism high. Anong buy nung fetong pa ya. Nising la kumi kovelong in tlag ng lam tulay 20th century la. A historian what the boy puya at to fet a sahiring what they boy puya full non literature ang nina hipomang ainitin narrative criticism pangin nasatakin kung itsukan tuma ay nila is notice akong abihin kasi pagkatay the scholars bright star ang tingong kung narrative criticism mangin atesi sa zik tang hengya i narrative criticism inazo tiltum takso from A to Z abulay to got top narrative criticism umzinay ito novel ang azik fangani umzinay taka umani chun a text here a Bible bung hai novel ang atin thay a beginning na conclusion na plot na a character na niti hai ka anong freedom tak ania chu a trazinga pomding command niya chun Bible actually fit ani chikat cho chung no artha dan chikat cho nai tiang do lekin chulai jing a chun ma thil dang hung phulang ni komin hung phuk pain ta ekam tu chung page di ka to on disability perspective criticism mangin kirko pola second Corinthian ka kan chuka thil thar hung ni pe ya ka khale kan midang dang komin thil thar hung to pain ta chulai jing a thil poi mo engai e thing lo ding chu ing ang thil thar hung apply in la kum history an ni na khai thengil thei no ding ania chu chul khela til thare ngo apply hin bias any ngai dan lu the til all sam takani lein hil ta hi trilai pangya hin film kur takin a interpreter sai ni a commentator ding ha tu ding ha ye film kuranga ni dikha ayang rema sani se la chun page 3 in fe chun what the text meant ti muinta what the text meant July, a first line in a commentator is someone who places herself or himself between the text, in this case an ancient text, and the current generation of the readers of the text as a kind of mediator. Chu hilaya sentence ang hiltum tilpoy mo chu commentator any interpreter sahi alay taka ay nira ay mating panga ay nung panga a Bible chang hai ka a en zinga chun a mating panga a tim tu hai a hilfi tu ding hai kai ena chuli chun hila Bible le a ko khan hai karang ni re ni ti ka ching de ne ngir na mun ka poi mo em ka a hri de tula hi a thil tum tak chu any interpreter site sitani til tum takjo it is to help the reader understand the text I mana hi Bible changna ji I mana hril tum ti kha ka e thong pui tum tak e nin e hung mu su tum tak ani ti kha e hri ta poi mo chuli chun amma sa ta ka poi mo chu e ni interpreter site ta ring a poi mo chu interpretation to ta ring a poi mo chu exegesis umzinei tawin grammatical historical exegesis ay ti hai kam mangin umzinei do mi kamak ay shit thena digin atong bul hai pu kum kha a text ni ma shri tuma I mana grammar mang ti hai ka ay shit fil vong angai ani kaka ay shit fil ka ay ni ay thoring poi mo takania the supreme responsibility of the commentator is to the text as it is ang nilangan in tuta Bible ay mo atong bula ay ni evang na chu New Testament atong bul ting ay hung tim thei ding ani he vang nei na nia an let som ni loin asan chu thilin let na hin in let na lampui hin a dialogue de da wai trong hai hong nang no lin fil sur ko mong nuk thei le chu le chun a thei ram chun Greek team thei no ko ma Bible version chitum chili be a team thei ka poimo nia ka khalai kan ai nia interpreter sai ta ding a poimo tak chu a text as it is ani na ang char angi langan ka kha a team le a study ka poimo tak ani ti ka Ezu amishul tumania hilahin the text is meant to be sovereign over the interpreter, and the exegete is the first and foremost the servant of the text. Apoy mo tekle. Any a real fitu hai a text a silo hai ni Bible chang real fitu hai a Bible chang silo hai ni. Chule chun a silo ayang takin na ay til thodi churing takin. A Bible chang ka ani nang angi langanin a trong buran to ka actually fi na ka thil poi mo tak ani ti ka actually a tula evangelist hai reng zineiloin story and thil no they have a story to tell zinein an thila ana chu until thil na ka it happens not in this modern days, it happens in the history itself. Anni hun laya history lai kan hunan lo thrilanta chuchuni si chun anni an jingna hun laya history hai ka ei vahri fi theino ni chun there is hardly any way we can actually study 100% in chuk theino rin wani sin lao intinam hri thim thei ta anni an to bulle an history environment hai ei hri thim theino ding an ei hri thim thei ei hri thim no chun chung ji chu tu ta mi inverted tapin thoin la ei ni hun lai vung na ha nuclear power ha in kim ei ni vu ta electrical rail ha hi perspective in thuk chan chanchin tragic vein la rail an tlana vunga nuclear bomb man hung supuk tuma tin ka chanchin tra kha hi taka first century AD lai punin la anai free team no tek ding zi del chu vungna hom lam hulo khai chun mo aum dar khan free team no ding chule chun kha lung ril char khai ne nga ya first century AD hun la ya mi thil tlung an ngai da an nun phung hai dang lam kha ei hrit photang ngai asan chu kha sunga Bible hung ping do kani tla le a history kha engai poi mo le ngai ni ti kha ei hri tula a literature anina ang chinung sila kom he literature it just doesn't come as it is, or it was not just from a vacuum place that it came. Literature ang lo ni na kom ka ahong ping dok da ahong trow dok na chu first century AD live on ni ti ka ching de nei hri angai ani chulei chun a history literature hai in kim ka interpreter sign shifung ai thei top in thing ita ka kha ai hri na khan text hin za takin a Bible tu ha in za takin in chuk tung ita kha ai hri na kha next point ai hung hri ding ania chu what the text means ka ani so the text means in imana ai hung hri tum tak chu the commentator can hardly do more than indicate proper directions. And at times guard against improper ones in which the text may be taken in modern application. They top in shrifi tumaita ana chu a shrifi tumba hi mana hi thu in aumzi hi mana hi thu in shri tum hilai ni ma shri tuma in argument am manga ti kha a shrifi tumba khachu ei tho ta lungai no ding tina ania asan chu ei ngai da ni va shri lut ding ania chu le chun thei top in chu keita na mi a team alo team tu hai ta ding khan ei hung hril thei sun chu hi a hoi a text in a hril tum dan ti kha ka ei fe pui dan ding ania with regards to our gospels we are in a very interesting and advantageous position of being able often to see how the writers took the tradition they receive and apply to them to the situation of their congregation, that is what they took the received traditions to mean to them. hi lai yong free fi tu mi interesting ka tia san chu intinam ei ni khom tu ta mi tradition ei nei ta bible a mi ei nei hi interpreting ei ko ran hai ko mai free feeding ti hi lai thu te ngai da na mung pe ka pakhat interesting ve lo chu chan chin thazik tu hai khan an chan chin thazik kha an ni I rom su klen phuk fo melan ni no tradition lo fe da tradition lo ta sa a saying sai lo ta sa le literature lo ta sa hai ngai dan oral tradition lo in dar ta hai kha hai lo in phum ta hai kha an lak khoma kha an ni khan an interpret ve a tina ni chu an interpret ve a an ni community en tinan ma thai chun am thian community alekha thon na hai kha ngai lo tim ding khan kha tradition kha interpret ve ni chu le chun kha a interpret dan ka ching de ne yan chun ying hinai tho ve te hi ching hi tho ve te ni ti ying yan lo tho da na ni ti kha e zu mu thei ding ti na ani chu so listen hilaya telling freedom we have thus to keep in mind the reading of the gospels that we need to be sensitive to two life settings, the first being the time of Jesus itself, the second the time of the evangelist. Isu hun lai bc pakhat pali e ching khalai hun vela in toka e di somthum le somthum pathum khalai isu life setting ka e ching nga ya chulai singa evangelist high life setting an historian an sung say for example edi soma in toka edi isu le contemporary nilam chun hi taka edi first edi 1990 ti hai chen thong kha e vashi angaya khalai khan kang lai boru khan thlang nuk lei khan khalai a tradition ung ping England mangamana an thuril hai khan thuril kha ei ni intinam mangai ta ti kha azik tu hain anung suklang ve tu mani ti kha ching dewin ei khrit khanumom katia what the evangelista kinila kon pegi na kanenila what the evangelists do with the traditions they received can accordingly serve as a hermeneutical models for us in reaching for the kinds of significance the text may take on for our readers tum ji chu ei hultang khan I kalai tradition anung ziglaya bible anung zigma tradition kha tradition khan mangtang kaya an hung reinterpreta an reader sai ta ding kha model anung mangtakha ei ni tu ta 21st century za umai kom hi ei mangve the ni ti ka na ei anung hril tum na ania chun hi ta ka phe ngana khan ve thlein la objectivity and the commentator's perspective kan mung in the first line modern hermeneutical scholarship has shown that there is no such thing as an objective interpreter or interpretation hi thilin dik ani mi ngai dan sul chu mani ngai dan chang thak lo le bias thak lo bible interpret ti thilum theilo ni ching te nam sul pe kan ingang in criticism sim do kin la kom mi freeman ni sum photun bias nge ding ne bias nge ding le chuli chun objectivity 100% in ong theilo ding ne objectivity e zukti ang ni langa na bible zo in chung na e ni ngai dan huin trom thak lo a ani zukti top thea objectivity kha thil thei unknown interpretation in ti chu actually must support trula chual khela commentators perspective ei ni le ei ni hi ei treat chingang ai khopela ingang traditional to ka hung to ko ei nia I mana ka ngai dan a ka fe pui dan conservative ka nim ka nole ka ngai dan liberal dewam anole ka skeptic dewam anole I mana I how de hulin bible ka timom nole serious dewin ka timom mo ka ngai popo UPC ngai dan de ka tromam anole trinitarian ngai dan hai ka tromam South ting pangai dan ka tromam Methodist ngai dan ka tromam if se khalai popo doctrine hai ka ei ni ei hung ping pui vong an ei hung changlen pui vong an ne khai khan na satakin bible ei tim na hin baggage extra baggage ei hung pai ve ne ei mithai tarmit ei hung bon tol ting ei tarmit boni chidang dang ni tolan Taramit hip tu min la khom ei hip tak tak thei tan san chu ei taramit bun kai khlu ka taramit ei lo bun ta ni le khan Bible ei hung tim hai reng reng hi kha kha through khan a hung fe de hung tan ya chu le tak chun objectivity hi ong thei tak tak tan ni ti kha ei hri tu la ana chu ei ni ei hri ching po chun ei hra no na in hri ching po chun ei hra no na hri Bible ei tim chang khom ei veng thei na chin oma asan chu ezuk ti mai ta zuk interpret ta hang ngai tu no veta ke hi kalok fe la ta dal ka til fe dan hi no ro se tin hung in le no thei ni ti kai sri tu la good commentators see their task as theological exegesis atia by this it means that exegesis shares the faith committed and priorities of the believing community chumji chu theological exegesis chun ei hungai ven tak ding chu I mana ei ko ran hanan poi moding I mana Christian han ei poi moding ti khan na satakin ei interpretation ei tholai jing khan ei hungai poi moding ani ti kha ei zu khri da tula chun dan ranin azik tu ha hin na satakin an theology an emphasis an major emphasis hai hanung thun salaka hi ei chu dong nge tu len ti kha commentator hai nei free the tool bokani chun atom no tak ding atu da first point the question of historicity. The purpose of a commentator, as we have seen, is to illuminate the text for the modern reader as it stands. Historically, it has been accepted. Ana chu imanai thil tumding any interpreter side chun ai thil tumding chu modern readers to the 21st century team to ai tading in zinein ei shit tumding ani ana chu zinein ei shit tum hai kom ka film pur tu la interna Rudolf Bellman fivong inta German New Testament scholars team to do ama comment the mythologizing process on tana imata hung thosa the mythologizing the myth amudan chun 20th century is a Bible team high michangkang tak tak hai tading chun hinga Bible to high supernatural till miracles till dying on the cross, walking on the water, all these kinds of things hinga hi supernatural hung italin anshi team tak tak tano a modern person who plays computer and all these things so we have to start a program called the mythologizing. That means let us do away with all these miracles so that the average reader may eventually understand what the Bible says. What it does is a historicity, a skin tam takela pit 5 a subna mong zinilawin Bible ha nilawang in a scene any film kurang angai tu ijuk sini sila ringnekin Matthew when it comes to Matthew is relatively conservative in his handling of the traditional materials available to him. Mathayin Marka among synoptic gospels problem of synoptic gospels I elo shritachun a shriting oma source problem tu mana masata kintina man copy ti hai ka akana sa takin mo te ana chu mathai ring nekin mark along mang copy sin la amang uchung no ti kha a chung takin amang no ti kha e mo te no ma to chun oral tradition amang hai tinan danaranin chapter 5 and chapter 7 chan hitaga saying sai ka sermon on the mount and to kami hai gam ka scholar sai chun kwele q saying sai to ka traditional lagdom ni na the saying of Jesus and to lagdom ni na tin tia ana chu ka lo lagdom commission like a very stable one stability chun tinamin in pek song kum khan unchanged ta no ni a fe da na kana fe pen ta ti kha e hun ka ta chu i mana chu na mishul tu mai ti chu ma thain ring nekin a material ha yen dam da ne 6 so no ni ti kha e shi thei a tulani chule chun ma thain na sa takin tradition ani hai kha arilaya tradition nei alo muai ka alo imana thangmuna la ka khatakan to khan so what we can learn from this is Mathayin historically is very reliable his sources tika is a no mo mani to suppose in sin la to tami chu next time papayas hung shing lo ding ani poi moji. Thank you.